Everyone wants to become rich. Everyone wants to create wealth. Everyone wants to travel abroad. Everyone wants to enjoy their life. Everyone wants to lead a comfortable financial life. Everyone wants to achieve the financial freedom as early as possible. But how? Hey friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can achieve the financial freedom as early as possible. How you can create a wealth in the future. Friends, let's get started. There are many people, they are earning good amount of money. They are earning 1 lakh per month, 2 lakh per month, 3 lakh per month, 4 lakh, 5 lakh per month. But they don't know what to do with money. They don't know how to invest money. They don't know where to invest money. They don't have any planning. Trust me friends, if you invest your money in a systematic manner for next 4-5 years, you can create a huge wealth. You can achieve the financial freedom as early as possible. Friends, let's say that you're earning 5 lakh per month and your monthly expenses is 2 lakh rupees. The remaining 3 lakh, whatever is there, if you invest in a mutual fund in a systematic manner for next 5 years, so after 5 years, your investment value will become 1 crore 80 lakh rupees. Let's say that you're going to get a 20% of return. With a 20% of return, your market value will become 3 crore rupees. After 5 years, the same 3 crore, if you invest in a systematic withdrawal plan, if you put it into SWP for next 15 years, so in SWP, you are going to get around 12% of return. If you withdraw every month 2 lakh rupees for your monthly expenses, after 15 years, your 3 crore will become 7 crore rupees. This is how you can achieve the financial freedom. This is how you can create a huge wealth in the long term. Friends, I would like to give one more example. Let's say that you are earning 2 lakh per month and your monthly expenses is 1 lakh rupees. The remaining 1 lakh, whatever is there, if you invest in a systematic manner for next 5 years, so let's say that if you get a 20% of return, after 5 years, your investment value will become 60 lakh rupees, market value will become 1 crore rupees. So after that, what you can do, you can invest in a systematic withdrawal plan. If you get a 12% of return for next 15 years, if you withdraw every month 50,000 for your monthly expenses, after 15 years, your 1 crore will become 3 crore rupees. This is how you can achieve the financial freedom. This is how you can create a huge wealth in the long term. Friends, now I would like to give few more example. There are many people, they are not earning good amount of money, but for them, I'm going to explain you how you can make your first 1 crore rupees. Let's say that you're going to invest 50,000 per month. So if you invest for next 8 years, if you get a 20% of return, you're going to create a corpus of 1 crore rupees. Let's say that you are investing 25,000 rupees per month. If you invest for next 11 years, if you get a 20% of return, you're going to create a corpus of 1 crore rupees. Let's say that you are investing 15,000 per month. If you invest for next 13 years, if you get a 20% of return, so after 13 years, you're going to create a corpus of 1 crore rupees. Friends, when we work hard to earn money, it is also very important to save our money and invest our money. Friends, we can only work max 8 to 10 hours per day. But if you invest your money, if you invest for long term in a right asset class, it will work for you 24/7. Friends, so if you want to know more about mutual fund, if you want to invest into the mutual fund, you can contact me on the below number. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.